Yo, what's up everybody, it's World Raider and we're about to dive into a tech showcase unlike any other. We're talking about 25 inventions that are straight up changing the game. From flying cars that'll make your commute a breeze to bionic arms that'll make you feel like a superhero. We're covering it all, so buckle up, smash that subscribe button and let's get into it. This is the Volonaut AirBike, and yeah, you guessed it, it's a bike that flies. It's like they took the best parts of a drone and an e-bike and mashed them together. The AirBike is electric powered, so you can kiss those gas station lines goodbye. And with its vertical takeoff and landing capabilities, you can forget about traffic jams altogether. Imagine soaring above the city streets, feeling the wind in your hair, and getting to your destination in a fraction of the time. Now, this is what I'm talking about, the Open Bionics Hero Arm Pro. This isn't just some clunky prosthetic, this is a high-performance bionic arm that's changing lives. It's lightweight, multi-grip, and gives amputees the power of precise control. It's about empowering people to express themselves and feel confident. Get ready to have your mind blown by the McMurtry Spéirling Pure VP1, folks. This all-electric hypercar is on another level, and the craziest part? It uses a fan system for downforce. This thing sucks itself to the road, giving it insane levels of grip and cornering speed. We're talking about a car that can go from 0 to 60 in under 1.5 seconds. This, my friends, is the Pulsar Fusion Sunbird, and it's about to change the way we think about air travel. This is a prototype fusion-powered jet engine, and it's aiming to make carbon-free supersonic travel a reality. We're talking about flying from New York to London in a matter of hours, all without harming the environment. Meet XoMotion, the self-balancing electric rideable robot that's part companion, part mode of transportation. This thing is packed with autonomous navigation and safety features, making it perfect for zipping around town. It's like having a futuristic pet that can also get you from point A to point B in style. Calling all creators, engineers, and tech enthusiasts, the XYN trademark is here to revolutionize your workflow. This modular, AI-powered workstation is like having a team of robots at your fingertips. Imagine designing a three-dimensional model, printing it out on a three-dimensional printer, and then having a robotic arm assemble it for you. Get ready to control the digital world with the power of your mind, or at least, that's what it feels like with FlexiVol and PointerVol. These advanced wearable technologies let you control digital and robotic systems using natural finger and hand gestures. It's like something straight out of Minority Report, and it's about to change the way we interact with technology. Check this out. It's the Glide, a levitating smart desk lamp and speaker. This thing uses magnets to hover in mid-air, creating a mesmerizing visual effect. It's like something out of a science fiction movie, and it's the perfect blend of design, technology, and functionality. Buckle up because the FlashBot arm is about to blow you away with its speed and precision. This rapid-action robotic arm is designed for high-speed tasks, like warehouse sorting, packaging, and automated assistance. From factories to fulfillment centers, the FlashBot arm is poised to revolutionize industries with its lightning-fast movements. Calling all cyclists. Tired of those grueling uphill battles? The CycloCable is here to save the day. This motorized bike lift system is like having a secret weapon for conquering steep hills. It's simple, really. You attach the CycloCable to your bike, and when you hit an incline, it gives you that extra boost to power through it. No more sweating and struggling, just smooth, effortless riding, even on the steepest of hills. Prepare to be amazed by the REGENT Viceroy Seaglider, an all-electric wing and ground effect vehicle that's about to redefine coastal travel. This thing seamlessly glides just above the water, offering a fast, efficient, and incredibly cool way to get around. The Viceroy Seaglider is like a boat, plane, and hovercraft all rolled into one. We've all been there, that heart-stopping moment when you drop your phone and pray it survives. But with the case impact, you can kiss those worries goodbye. This innovative phone case uses air suspension technology to protect your precious device from even the most brutal drops. It's like having tiny airbags for your phone, cushioning the impact and keeping it safe from harm. Hold on to your burger buns because ABB and BurgerBots are teaming up to bring you the future of fast food. This collaboration is bringing robotic automation to the world of burgers and fries, and it's about to change the game. Imagine a team of robots working tirelessly to flip burgers, assemble meals, and serve up your order with speed and precision. Get ready to step into the future of displays with the Looking Glass 27-inch light field display. This isn't your average screen. This is a holographic display that lets you experience three-dimensional content like never before. And the best part? No need for those clunky VR headsets or special glasses. It's like having a window into another dimension, and it's perfect for everything from gaming and entertainment to design and medical imaging. Imagine a world where you can walk into a booth and have a real-time consultation with a doctor, get diagnosed, and even receive a prescription, all without ever setting foot in a waiting room. This self-contained telemedicine booth is like having a doctor's office at your fingertips. It's equipped with everything from high-definition cameras and diagnostic tools to a secure medication dispenser. Want to enjoy fresh homegrown herbs and vegetables all year round no matter where you live? The Plantaform Smart Indoor Garden makes it easier than ever. This compact hydroponic growing system lets you cultivate your own little indoor garden with minimal effort. The Plantaform takes care of everything from lighting and watering to nutrient delivery, ensuring your plants thrive. Get ready to harness the power of the sun like never before with PowerRoll, the ultralight flexible solar film that's changing the game for renewable energy. Unlike traditional bulky solar panels, PowerRoll can be applied to curved surfaces, making it ideal for everything from buildings and vehicles to backpacks and tents. Imagine a world where your backpack charges your phone as you walk, or your car generates clean energy while you drive. Say goodbye to tedious vacuuming chores with the eufyMake E1, the smart robot vacuum that's about to become your new cleaning best friend. This little guy is packed with AI-based obstacle avoidance, so it won't bump into your furniture or send your prized possessions flying. It's like having a personal cleaning assistant that works tirelessly to keep your home spotless. Hold on tight because the Overland AI Ultra is about to take you on an off-road adventure like no other. This autonomous vehicle platform is designed to navigate the most extreme terrain from rocky deserts to dense forests. It's like having a self-driving off-road beast at your command ready to tackle any challenge you throw its way. Imagine a mirror that could tell you more than just how your hair looks. Introducing the Anura registered trademark MagicMirror V7, the smart mirror that gives you a glimpse into your health. This revolutionary mirror uses advanced sensors to measure your vital signs in real time, just by looking at your reflection. For those who love the feel of pen on paper but also want the convenience of digital note-taking, the Nuwa pen is here to bridge the gap. This innovative pen captures everything you write on paper and instantly digitizes it. The Nuwa pen seamlessly blends the best of both worlds, giving you the freedom to jot down your thoughts on paper while keeping your digital notes organized and accessible. Get ready to experience the future of drone control with the GestureBotics Aura. This groundbreaking system lets you control drones with the wave of your hand, making it feel like you have telekinetic powers. The GestureBotics Aura is taking drone technology to new heights, making it more accessible and fun for everyone. In a world striving for sustainability, the solar water heater is a game changer. This compact and efficient system uses the sun's energy to heat your water, reducing your carbon footprint and saving you money on your energy bills. From reducing greenhouse gas emissions to promoting energy independence, the solar water heater is a bright step towards a greener future. Calling all water enthusiasts, the Bixpy K1 is about to electrify your adventures. This compact yet powerful electric jet motor can be easily attached to kayaks, paddleboards, canoes, or even small boats, giving you an extra boost of speed and power when you need it most. Whether you're exploring calm lakes, navigating rivers, or tackling choppy waters, the Bixpy K1 provides reliable and efficient propulsion. In industries where heavy lifting is the norm, the LiftX exosuit is a game changer for worker safety and productivity. This robotic exosuit provides powerful support and assistance, reducing strain and minimizing the risk of injuries. From construction sites to warehouses, the LiftTX exosuit is transforming the way we work, making it safer, more efficient, and less physically demanding. Alright, so we just covered 25 inventions that are straight up pushing the boundaries of what's possible. From flying cars and bionic arms to AI-powered robots and holographic displays, the future is looking pretty wild. What did you guys think? Which invention blew your mind the most? Let me know in the comments down below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you don't miss out on more awesome tech content.